What started as April Fool's Day joke last year turned into reality in 2020. It was Samsung Electronics that launched the very first rotatable TV under the name the Sero, and I had a chance to see one in action at Harvey Norman's store here in Zagreb, Croatia. The Sero is available only in 43-inch screen size and with an elegant navy blue floor stand. Even though its main selling point is the rotating screen, Samsung didn't go with just any Ultra HD 4K panel. Instead, the TV uses quantum dot technology, which can be found only on the company's QLED line, together with all the picture options and calibration controls we normally find on Samsung TVs. According to rthings.com review, the panel itself is based on IPS technology, which is a rarity to find on Samsung TVs. This provides lower contrast but wider viewing angles, which seem to be of higher importance for this particular product. There is no local dimming implemented, as that would definitely further increase the price. The same Tizen OS 5.0 operating system that you will find on other Samsung TVs this year is installed on the Sero TV as well. You will find all the familiar apps and options, as well as intelligent and ambient modes. There is an additional button for portrait mode in the menu, but other than that, there are no special options or different layouts that user could choose from. I was curious to see how the home menu will look in the vertical mode. As you can see, quite similar to horizontal mode, the main menu just moves to the bottom of the screen and keeps the familiar layout. I expected to see some additional apps in the App Store, maybe those that are designed for vertical mode, but that was not the case here. Clearly, the web browser was working in vertical mode just fine, but other apps that are not designed for it would ask to rotate the screen to horizontal mode, like for example YouTube app. The best way to use the vertical mode is by mirroring the content from your phone. For this demo, Samsung's Galaxy S10 Plus was used. The apps that work only in vertical mode on our phones, such as Instagram or TikTok, covered the screen completely. You see everything more clearly and there are no black bars around the content. To see the vertical content at this size, you would need a typical TV with 75-inch screen. In the YouTube app you can watch content in vertical mode, but if you rotate the phone it will quickly switch to horizontal mode. I did notice that the screen loses some of its brightness for a moment during rotation, but other than that, everything was working fine. You will get the same remote control in a white finish as on other Samsung lifestyle TVs, except that this one has a button to rotate the screen. You can also rotate the screen by using the built-in microphone, like this.
Switch to vertical mode.
Finally, there is a physical button at the back that activates the rotation. I was told that the TV was tested for 10 rotations per day during the period of 10 years, which means it should survive at least 36,500 rotations. The TV has all the typical connection options from HDMI with eARC support to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Front-firing 4.2 speakers are installed in the stand and they sound quite convincing. Loud, clear and with some bass. Of course, you can always connect the TV to an even more powerful sound system. Connection options are available. So there you have it, my quick overview of Samsung's the Sero TV. Just like any other product that moves by a press of a button or by voice command, it's fun and would fit nicely in a modern home. I think it would be even better with a touch screen, as then you could use it without the phone in your hand. The camera would also be nice for example, wardrobe tryouts, for voice calls, and so on. What about you? Which features would you like to see on this TV? Let me know in the comments. Finally, I would like to thank everyone who helped to organize this presentation. Maya and Nikolina from NPR Agency, Jerko from Samsung, and guys from Harvey Norman store in Zagreb. Hope to see you again soon and thank you all for watching.